Hello, before we begin today's video, can you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps expand the wonderful knowledge of NY and JPA weather and helps yours truly. So I really would appreciate it. So thank you, and as always, stay safe out there. Now let's get to today's video. Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. Just a reminder, we have our NFL forecast coming out at noon and also our live chat tonight at 8 p.m., which I'm sure a lot of you will have a lot of questions about potential snowfall and colder temperatures and all the like. So we're going to talk about all of that tonight. Right now, it is a bit chilly out there. We have a nice northwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour that will slowly back to the southwest as we move on through the day as high pressure passes to our north. Sky cloud cover around the area with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, where we have a bit of a fresh snowpack from yesterday. Upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, lower to mid 30s in your urban areas, mid 30s down towards the southern New Jersey coast. On the latest WeatherTap radar and surface map, you can see our storm from yesterday is pulling away and also intensifying rather impressively. While that is happening, high pressure is in control and will pass over us, providing tranquil weather conditions throughout the day. This cold front will move through tomorrow with a few flurries here and there, but the big news will be the cold air behind it, slashing temperatures just in time for Friday, where low temperatures will be in the single digits and teens over the interior and teens and 20s along the coast. So certainly very chilly conditions. When we take a look at the latest infrared satellite picture, the overall theme here, when we look at this weather pattern, is fast-moving, progressive. So we're going to have a lot of low pressure streaming past us from the polar jet stream and the subtropical jet stream. And what that will mean is a potential here for a few snow showers from time to time, focusing on another time period around Friday. Potential for some scattered snow showers, maybe a period of light snow. We'll see how well this disturbance right out here holds together as it marches across the Tennessee River Valley and heads towards our neck of the woods by Friday afternoon and evening. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Tranquil conditions are expected, although chilly, with high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 30s to lower 40s in your urban areas and along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for sky cloud cover with a weak southwesterly wind. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast and urban areas. For tomorrow, our Arctic cold front will drop through, and that's going to lead to some scattered clouds and a few flurries here and there. Could be a little bit of enhancement of a snow shower in the Poconos and Catskills via Lake Ontario, via lake enhancement. So we'll keep an eye on that. Look for high temperatures on Thursday to range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, and mid to upper 30s in your suburbs, upper 30s to lower 40s in your urban areas. For Friday, high pressure will be in complete control through the morning hours, clear skies and very chilly. Looking for low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the northern interior, mid to upper teens in your suburbs, and upper teens to lower 20s in your urban areas. And when you slice it, it is going to be very cold. In the afternoon, the high pressure system will start to exit and a low pressure system will pass to our south. It's going to lead to increasing clouds and snow showers breaking out in the afternoon and evening hours. There is a potential here for some minor accumulation. I'm talking about a dusting, maybe an inch here and there. But overall, the theme here is light, and most locations, it'll look festive, but no real significant snow accumulation is expected. And there is some guidance that even keeps this a bit too aggressive, where it might actually just be a few flurries here and there, especially over the northern tier. Down towards the southern New Jersey coast, 38 and snow. So might as well just be rain at that point. But as you head towards, let's say, central New Jersey, the Philadelphia metro, it's definitely going to be cold enough for a few snow showers with some minor accumulation, car tops, maybe even on some untreated pavement. Look for high temperatures on Friday, ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior.
upper 20s to lower 30s in the New York City metro, lower to mid 30s in the Philadelphia metro, and mid to upper 30s down towards the southern shore of New Jersey. On Saturday, that low pressure system exits. We'll have scattered cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, upper teens to lower 20s in your suburbs, and mid 20s to lower 30s in your urban areas. High temperatures will rebound into the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. On Sunday, a low weak trough passes through with some scattered clouds, perhaps a flurry, but overall pretty quiet, although chilly, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s in your suburbs, mid to upper 20s in your urban areas. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s in your suburbs, upper 30s to around 40 degrees in your urban areas. On Monday, another little weak trough passes through in the morning, followed by high pressure in control in the afternoon. Again, there's a threat for a flurry in the morning, but for the most part, it's pretty quiet. Although continued cold with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s in your suburbs, and upper 20s to lower 30s in your urban areas. High temperatures will rebound into the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 30s in your urban areas. And when you slice it, it is going to be a very cold start to next week. Then we're going to watch a series of clippers, and this is where the forecast gets a little bit hazy here because these clippers are going to be diving through very quickly and basically trying to redevelop. And so this is going to lead to some scattered snow showers, perhaps a little rain snow showers. It's going to be very unstable as far as the forecast here. So just bear with me here as we kind of iron out some of these fast-moving short waves dropping through. For Tuesday, it's going to be cold enough for everyone to see snow showers with low temperatures in the single digits over the northern interior, lower to mid-teens in your suburbs, mid to upper teens in your urban areas, and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, lower to mid-30s in your urban areas. Then on Wednesday, we have another clipper dropping through. Some guidance has us a little bit further south and developing down here, some up here, kind of leading to that volatility. As a result, this forecast may end up being a bit colder. But for now, looking for rain, snow showers with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. And behind that, another Arctic blast. And then we'll have to watch another low pressure system and possibly some development with that. So certainly an active weather pattern on the way. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.
Thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. But if you want to help the channel out even more, and myself, of course, you might want to check out Premium Consulting Membership, which provides amazing content and information that you get beyond the daily video that you see Monday through Friday. So what do you get? Well, you get updates every day in the Premium dashboard, starting with, of course, checking out the latest winter forecast or other seasonal forecasts throughout the year, live coverage room where you can ask me questions live and I respond usually within a few minutes. Also, the latest holiday updates, how the weather will impact that upcoming holiday. If you are into landscaping or you work in landscaping, should I say, you will get the latest details on whether or not rainfall will be a threat and impact your job. And of course, there is all the other content. The zoomed in impact map, the severe threat analysis, long range thoughts, the premium consulting video, and also energy analysis, seasonal analysis, additional analysis when the storms get really tricky, winter storm overviews, and when the tropics gets really active, all of the updates, including the individual storms and the overview as well. And if you're a business owner, we also have a specific impact forecast for you guys as well, your own weather map. So let's take a look at the prices pretty fair. $15 a month gets you all this information. If you're looking for a little bit of a discount, you can also have a yearly at $150 and quarterly at $60. And also, for all of you business owners out there, you have the ability to get your own web page, your own consulting analysis based on what you need every day in the morning, updated Monday through Sunday without any delay. And of course, you can call me up as well and have that one-on-one consultation. So all this and more at NY and JPA Weather. Thank you as always for being a subscriber and watching the videos. But if you're looking for a little bit more, this would definitely be one of the ways to do so. So in the meantime, stay safe out there.